Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use one of the most basic essential command in AutoCAD, the line command. First of all, we will start from the simple line command. To start drawing a line, there are two simple ways. You can type L in type command line and hit enter, or you can go to the home tab, click on the draw panel and select the line icon. Now AutoCAD will promote you to specify the first point of the line. To draw the first line, you can either click anywhere on the drawing area, enter coordinate manually. For example, I will type 0, 0 to start from the origin point. Next, AutoCAD will ask for the second point here. You can visually click another point and input a specific value. Let's type 10, 0 to create the 10 unit long horizontal line. The great things about the line command is you can continue drawing connected line after specifying one point. AutoCAD keep asking for more. You can just keep clicking on the screen or type exit command. Once you are doing, press enter or escape to stop drawing and finalize your lines. If you need straight vertical or horizontal line, toggle ortho mode by pressing F8. This will restrict your line to 90-degree angle. Let's see how that works. Next up is the Polyline Command. It is a little different from the regular line because it treated all connected segments as a single object, even if the segment have different length or direction. You can access this command by typing PL or clicking on the polyline icon in the draw panel. As you can see, the entire shape behave as one continuous object, which can be useful for creating complex shape that you can edit together. Another interesting option in the multiple line command. This lets you draw multiple parallel lines at the same time, full for wall, path or other. It's especially useful for other structure drawing. You can type M-line to start this command. Once activate, specify a starting point and draw multiple parallel lines as you move your cursor. By default, AutoCAD create 2 parallel lines, but you can adjust this setting to create more. Now let's talk about the ray command. A ray command is an infinity line starting from a specific point and extending endlessly in one direction. It starts from reference line. To create a ray, type ray and choose a starting point. Then specify the direction and the ray will extend infinity in the direction. This can be useful in creating guideline for other objects in your drawing. If we made a mistake, no problem, just type U and press enter to undo the last line segment. You can keep drawing without exiting the command. Next we have a XLine command or construction line. Like a ray, it extends infinity but in both directions from a straight point. This is often used for construction purpose, helping you set reference line for accurate drawing. To use the XLine command, type XL and hit enter. You will then specify 2 points to define the direction. You can also use ortho mode to restrict your line to horizontal or vertical direction. Press F8 to toggle it on. So these are the different type of line command in AutoCAD. line, polyline, XLine, tray, and the multiple line. Each one has its own unique function depending on what you need for your design. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tricks tutorials. Thanks for watching.